Welcome back, my tenement yard peeps, and I had to really put this out here. I'm a bit annoyed with some of these Jamaican TikTokers. Listen, I'm a Jamaican also, but I am actually annoyed. Now, tell me why TikTok is going to be an app for opportunities. It gives people a chance to make their honest living, showcase their creativity, their talent, dance, do anything you want. That's legal. But I think we're using the app to promote violence. It's really annoying because no, Prettidon. I don't know what is pretty about the situation, but it's not cute at all. It's not pretty because a man showed up allegedly at her door. And I don't know if it was, a gun he had in his hands, but rumor has it that the person is now arrested. And Pretty Dawn is obviously scared for her life. She also mentioned that she was approached by Popcorn and she was so terrified because she was talking crazy thing about the man. One thing about Pretty Dawn, she talk about things about people. And that's gonna be like, I don't want to use the word dead end, but that's gonna be like a bad outcome. You talk crazy things about people. Don't you expect to walk into the individual one day? Like you're going to see the individual. And what will you do then? Are you an A-list celeb that has a bunch of security to protect you? I think they're doing stuff in the media and it's just so stupid. Like, stop talk things about people. And if you know you're going to talk crazy things about people, have security. Have security because I think some people, they don't take things lightly. If they don't take things well, you talk things about them, they're going to approach you. Now, the Jamaican TikTokers, we go live with other people. So she went live and I think two other persons was on this live. There's this TikToker called Blam Them. And he's one of Nicki Minaj's favorite. If y'all did not know, Nicki Minaj is over at Jamaica TikTok. She not upon no hiatus, okay? She may be on a hiatus in the US, but she is very active over Jamaican TikTok, giving away lions and other gifts, okay? I'm not jealous, a bit jealous, of course, because hey, but anyway, Blam Them is known for blaming them. In other words, putting people in their places. He doesn't like people who are a part of the LGBTQ community. That's Jamaica on a whole. And I'm not going to be a hypocrite. I love people from the LGBTQ community. I support them. I support everybody. By the way, we're all humans, okay? And everybody's life and lifestyle is very important. And because Pretty Dawn is from the LGBTQ community, I would now say probably that's the reason why Blam Them has an issue. Okay? But if he sent someone to threaten her at her doorstep, that is wrong. That is a scary game that you're playing and you need to slow your roll. The Jamaican TikTokers, y'all need to really remember that you could make money on the app, not problems. Use the app as a way to make your honest living without getting in it with anybody, okay? Nicki Minaj is giving away gifts. Be a part of that. Now, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and leave a like for this. I'm going to drop more bangers, more gossip, because I love to gossip. You're saying it's a chatterbox. But like this video, I need you guys to also subscribe, click on the notification bell, and yeah, you'll be checking with us again. Definitely if you click on that notification bell, and see you guys some other time.